Alrighty, welcome back to the final analysis of the Euro CAD trade that we actually took on yesterday. Just want to go over the trade as to what happened, look at why we took the trade, look at the outcome. Alrighty, so on the Euro CAD, as you guys remember the video from yesterday, we actually took a short position in this pair because we saw price. Let's go to the weekly. We saw on the weekly time frame that price was in a significant downtrend. It's been in a downtrend for pretty much the entire year. Okay, remember on our weekly time frame, we're looking at monthly support and resistance. We see where we actually broke this level right here on the weekly. This level right here of support was broken. Price came back, retested, and now it's going down. So for the rest of the year, or at least for until we get to another level of support, you can pretty much look to take shorts in the Euro CAD. Okay, now let's go over to the daily time frame. What we like to see on the daily time frame is pretty much the same thing that we've confirmed on the weekly time frame. Alrighty, you see price came up to this level of weekly resistance right here, because we're on the daily time frame, so our levels are weekly resistance levels. Came up, went past the level a little bit. Some would call this sort of kind of a stop hunt, but price continued to the downside. So we were looking for price to continue all the way down to this level of weekly support. Here's another level here, and then after this level of weekly support, it's an if-then process. We'll wait to see if price pulls back up, if it breaks through, before we decide on what type of trade that we're going to take. Now, the trade from yesterday was actually taken on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so here's what I saw. Since we already know that price is in an overall trend direction down, what price did at the beginning of the week, because we know on the 4-hour time frame, from session line to session line represents 1 week of price data. In order to sell into the market, you got to create buyers. So price pulled back up this week, early in the week, and it started its trend down. As you can see right here, and we'll go down to the 1 hour so you can see a better view. But what we noticed is price pulling up in the week. So we went ahead and we set a sell order right here, with a stop loss behind this level for price to do what? To go back down. So let's pan out to the 1 hour time frame. Alrighty. So here's the trade, guys. So yesterday, as we analyzed the weekly, daily, and the 4-hour, we saw the pullback in price on the 4-hour chart. We went ahead and we set a sell limit order right here. Price came up and touched it. Once it touched the sell limit order, we got into the overall move down. I was looking for a 1-to-1. So 46 pips was the stop loss. We did about a 2-to-1 on this trade because we actually made 90.4 pips exact on this position. So we did about a 2-to-1 on this trade here, right? Because the trade was so strong, we actually took a 2-to-1 on it instead of the traditional 1-to-1 that we usually take in a new level strategy. But the trade closed out today. I'm going to go ahead and put the trade right onto the chart so you guys can see it. So here's the trade, Euro CAD trade. Came in here, we closed out right here at this price. So here we go. Here it is. Trade is on the chart. So as you can see, we entered right at that sell limit order, and we just rode the market all the way down today for 90 pips. It was 90.4 pips exact was the take profit on that trade. So not bad for 1 day of trading. 90.4 pips, simply using the top-down analysis to get into the overall direction for the trend, waiting for the pullback. Some would call that profit taking or creating buyers into the market to hop right back in that direction, guys. Alrighty, thank you for your time. Have a good day.